guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to teach you again 3 another styles. Style that you can add to your dancing. The first one is this. That's number 1. Number 2 is this. The style is similar to each other, but it's very different in how to do it. Number 3 is this, how to go down while kneeling. So look. Or with fruits. It was worth the trying. Okay, number 1. Watch my feet. You start 1, 2, 1, and you push 1. Yeah, that is number 1. So, did you guys watch my feet? I was standing like this and I was just moving with one leg. Yeah? Number 2 was this one. No, it's the same. Let's pass that one. Let's go to number 3. Which was, let's first try without the fruit. Get a TV, gotcha. This one is very hard. And you can also go up. It's harder to go up. Okay. Again. You don't forget to move your waist while going down. Yeah? Again.